Rudra, can you hear me? No? Okay, Hira?
Plastics.
Yeah, plastics. We started plastics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which are the two types of plastics?
Thermoplastic
Yeah, thermoplastic
and thermosetting plastic.
yeah, thermosetting plastic. Okay. Then what do you mean by thermoplastic, Nigila?
Plastic which can be deformed easily by heating and can be bent easily.
Yeah, plastic which get deformed easily and bent easily on heating are known as thermoplastic. And examples for thermoplastic, Alan? Alan, unmute. Nigila, Alan, Vinayak, then Adnan, Aghila. All of you, please switch on your cameras. Ayman. Yeah, Alan, examples for thermoplastic.
Switchboard.
Which one?
Switchboard.
I can't hear you.
Switchboard.
Football.
He is saying switchboard.
No. It's an example for thermosetting plastic and it is bakelite. Anugrah. Anugrah, unmute.
Ma'am.
Give an example for thermoplastic. No? Rudra? Anandita?
Polythene and
Yeah, polythene, PVC, etc. Then what about thermosetting plastic? Asin? Thermosetting plastic. Yeah. Alia, Aghila, Adnan, Vinayak, Ayman, all of you please switch on your cameras. Yeah. Alia. Yeah, please unmute. Alia, unmute. I can't hear you. Unmute.
ma'am, plastics which are not melting by ma'am, plastics which cannot be easily melted by heating is called as
Okay. Example for that.
bakelite and
Bakelite and melamine, right?
melamine.
We learned till there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Then we are going to learn certain characteristics of this plastics. Okay, certain characteristics of this plastics. Plastics as, is the screen visible? Hira, visible? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So plastics as materials of choice. Why are we using plastics as materials of choice? Okay. The first point, it is convenient. It is convenient to store food item, water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. Okay. It is convenient to store food item, water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. Okay, that's the first point why we are using plastics as materials of choice. Then there are certain other properties of this plastic because of lightweight, lower price, good strength and easy handling. Because of lightweight means they are weightless, right? Lightweight, then lower price compared to other materials. It has lower price, then good strength and easy handling. They are easy to handle. Okay. Then due to this lightweight, because of this lightweight, plastics can be used in cars, aircrafts, spacecraft, etc. Okay. Due to this lightweight, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecraft. Clear? Is this points clear? Alan? Alan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you read these points once again?
Convenient to store food items.
I can't hear you. Say loudly.
Convenient to store food items.
Convenient.
Convenient to store food items. Water, milk, pickle, dry fruits, etc.
Dry food, etc. Okay. Next point.
Because of lightweight, low price,
Lower price.
good strength, and easy handling.
Yeah, these all are the properties of plastics. Then read the third point.
Plastics are used in car, aircrafts, and spacecrafts due to lightweight.
Yeah, due to lightweight, these plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecraft due to their lightweight. Okay. Vinayak. Vinayak, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak.
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please read the slide once again.
Plastics are used.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
Plastic are used in car, aircraft.
I can't hear you. Agna Maria, unmute. Yeah, read the slide once again.
Convenient to store food, water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc.
Okay.
Because of lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling.
Yeah.
Plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecraft due to lightweight.
Okay, fine. Then we are going to learn next property of plastic. Plastic is non-reactive. Okay. The second property of the plastic is non-reactive. Plastic do not get react with air and water. Plastic do not get react with air and water. And they not corroded easily. What do you mean by corroded? Are you familiar with this term? Corroded? Hira?
Ma'am.
No, right? It's okay. Are you familiar with rusting of iron?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This rusting of iron, that is otherwise known as corrosion or corroded. When a metal come into contact with atmosphere, there are certain changes happens to that metal. Okay? That property or that phenomenon is known as corrosion. In the case of this plastic, they are not corroded easily because they do not get react with either air or water. They do not get react with air or water, so they not corroded easily. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
yes, ma'am.
That's the second property. Plastic is non-reactive. That is, plastic do not get react with air and water, then not corroded easily. That's why they are used to store various kinds of material, including chemicals. Okay, these plastic containers are used to store various kinds of chemicals, including chemicals. Here, this plastic is non-reactive, right? They do not react with any other things. So we can easily use this plastic containers to store chemicals. Otherwise, if that container is reacted towards any other things, the chemicals get destroyed, right? So here this plastic is non-reactive. That is, plastic do not get react with the air or water, and it is not corroded easily. That's why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including chemicals. Clear? Adnan,
ma'am.
are you there?
Ma'am,
Yeah, read the slide once again.
plastic do not get react with air or
Air and
water,
water, then
not corroded.
not corroded easily.
That's why you are used to store various kinds of materials, including
Okay, that's why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including chemicals. So the second property of plastic is non-reactive. Clear? So
Yes,
which
ma'am.
are the two properties that we learned today? Plastic. Salin.
Yes, ma'am.
Salin, yeah.
Can I say one more time?
Yeah, which are the two properties?
Not clear, ma'am.
I can't hear you.
Not clear.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Salin.
Done.
Can you hear him?
Yes.
What's his answer?
He didn't say anything.
I can't hear him. Okay, Hira, which are the two properties that we learned?
Plastics as materials choose.
Yeah,
Material
plastics as
choice.
materials of choice. Then next one.
Plastics are non-reactable.
Yeah, plastics are non-reactive. Okay. Agila. Agila. No. Okay, Anandida.
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are using plastic for store chemicals?
They are not corroded easily.
Yeah, not corroded easily or non-reactive. They do not react with the air or water. Okay. Then we are going to learn the next property of the plastic. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. This light, strong, these two properties that we learned in the previous slide, right? The plastic is light, strong, and durable. What are the advantages of using a plastic container? What are the advantages of using a plastic container? Vinayak,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, read this advantages.
Plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes.
Okay, wait. Plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded. What do you mean by molded?
Then
Yeah. Molded means it can be changed into any shape or size, right? So plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Then read.
It is used for various purposes.
It is used for various purposes. Okay. It is used for various purposes. Okay. Next point.
Cheaper than metal.
It is cheaper than metals. Compared to metals, it is very much cheaper. Okay. Okay. Next point.
Widely used in industry and for household articles.
Articles widely used in industry and for household articles. It can be widely used in industry and for household articles. So these are the advantages of using a plastic container. Plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. And it is cheaper than metals. It can be used for various purposes. It is widely used in industry and for household articles. Ayman, can you hear me? Agila, Agna Maria, Salin, Adinan, Ayman. All of you please turn on your cameras. Asin,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me? Yeah? Okay, Alia, read the slide once again. Yeah.
Plastic,
Who is reading?
ma'am.
Alia, you read. Asin, please mute. Asin, please mute.
Ma'am.
Yeah, please mute. Mute your audio. Okay, Alia, read. Read.
Plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes.
Okay.
It is used for various purposes,
Yeah.
cheaper than metal, widely used in industry and for household articles.
Okay, fine. Then we are going to learn the next property. Plastics are poor conductors. Plastics are poor conductors. What do you mean by poor conductor? Hira?
Things which are not able to catch fire or
Yeah, not
electricity.
able to pass heat or electricity through them. Okay? Not able to pass heat and electricity through them. Such type of substances are known as poor conductors. Okay? Poor conductors. Why the electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic? Okay? The reasons are plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Okay? Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. These handles of frying pans are also made up of plastics. I think you all are familiar with these frying pans, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about its handles? It is made up of a certain type of
Okay.
plastic. That's why we are able to protect from heat. And look at this wires, electrical wires. They are made up of, these electrical wires have plastic covering. That's also because the plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. The heat and electricity do not able to pass through that plastic materials. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we learned plastics as materials of choice. Then plastic is non-reactive. Then plastic is light, strong, and durable. Then plastics are poor conductors. Nigila? Nigila, can you read the slide once again?
Electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made of plastics.
Yeah.
Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Handles of frying pans are also made of plastics.
Okay, fine. So these all are the properties of plastic. Then we are going to learn the uses of plastic, okay? The uses of plastics. First one, in the healthcare industry. The uses of plastic in healthcare industry. The packaging of tablets, then the threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments. These all are made up of plastics. Look at these tablets, their packaging. Then the threads used for stitching wounds, then the syringes, then the doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments. They all are made up of plastic. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the packaging of tablets, then the threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments. They all are made up of plastics. That's about the healthcare industry. Vinayak, can you
Yes,
read
ma'am.
the slide once again?
Healthcare industry. Packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds,
Okay.
syringes, doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments.
Okay, fine. That's about healthcare industry. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then next one, there are special plastic cookware. There are special plastic cookware used in microwave ovens. There are special plastic cookware that is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. They are also made up of this plastics. Okay. In oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Special plastic cookware used in the microwave ovens for cooking food. Okay. In oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Clear? This is the second use of plastic. Okay. Special plastic cookware used in microwave ovens for cooking food. Special plastic cookware used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. These are such type of plastic cookwares that is used in microwave ovens. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then Teflon. It is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. Teflon. It is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Look at this frying pan. Here, a non-stick, the frying pans are non-stick frying pans. This non-stick property, that is because of the Teflon present in this frying pan. Okay. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. Here, oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anandita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read this slide once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Special plastic cookware used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel.
Yeah.
Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares.
Okay, non-stick coating on cookwares. And there is one more special use for plastic. Did you see the uniforms of firemen?
Yes.
Yeah, the uniforms of firemen have a coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Okay, uniforms of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. We learned about melamine, right? Melamine belongs to which type of plastic?
Thermosetting.
Yeah, thermosetting plastic. And it has a property of resistance of heat or heat resistant. Okay, so the uniforms of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, in the healthcare industry, the packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, number of medical instruments. Then special plastic cookware used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. The next one, Teflon. It is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Then uniforms of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So, Alan, can you say any use of plastic?
Plastic is very
I
strong.
can't hear you. Alan, one more time. Repeat. Use of plastic. Unmute.
Plastic is very strong, thin, and
Which one?
plastic.
Speak near the mic. What's your mic? Yeah. Speak.
Plastic is thin, strong, and
Yeah. Uses of plastic.
can be molded into different shapes.
Yeah, that's all properties of plastic, right? Here
Yes,
we
ma'am.
learn certain uses. Give
Yes,
one
ma'am.
use.
Plastic can be stored chemicals
Yeah.
by plastic. Chemicals are stored by plastic.
Yeah, chemicals are stored in plastic. That's okay. Nigila, please list some of the uses of plastic.
In hospitals.
I can't hear you.
And used in hospitals.
Yeah, used in hospitals.
They are used.
Then another one, Hira, another use.
Then it is used. It is used in cooking.
Yeah,
Cookwares.
microwave ovens. Yeah. Then what about that non-stick material, Alia? It is known as?
Ma'am, Teflon.
Yeah, Teflon. Very good. Then what about the uniforms of firemen? Salin? Salin, uniforms of firemen? Salin, not there. Anandita,
yes,
uniforms
I
of
am there.
firemen are made up of?
Melamine. Coating of melamine.
Yeah?
Coating of melamine.
Yeah,
I
coating
am
of
there.
melamine. Very good. So all of you read these portions
Hello.
for the next class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
These properties of plastic and uses of plastic.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let me take your attendance. Adnan,
Present, ma'am.
I have like
Agna,
Present, ma'am.
Ahsan,
present.
Agila,
Present, ma'am.
Alan, Anandida,
Present, ma'am.
Ansel, Andrin, Anugrah,
Present, ma'am.
Ayman, Christo, Hari Krishnan, Harsh Singh, Hira,
Present, ma'am.
Jeff, loads of absentees, Joseph, Nigila, Asin, Nigila, okay, Asin, Alia, yeah,
Present, ma'am.
Rudra, Sachin, Salin, Surya Narayanan, no, Vinayak,
Present, ma'am.
yeah,
Present, ma'am.
Yuvadana, no, Saiba,
Salin is present.
yeah, Saiba, no, okay, study well.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you all. See you in next class.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.